What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between RedMagic 7S Pro and the Poco F4 GT. Both of these are the best and flagship gaming smartphones from their respective brands, so we will see that which device is going to be better in terms of raw performance based on the hardware specs and the benchmark test score results. Since both of them got their own pros and cons, a detailed comparison video of these two devices is also going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So if you are new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notifications for the future uploads. Talking about the hardware specs, RedMagic 7S Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 18GB RAM, 512GB storage, and it runs on Android 12, while Poco F4 GT comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 12GB plus 3GB virtual RAM, 256GB storage, and it also runs on Android 12. So in terms of hardware specs, RedMagic 7S Pro is a bit better compared to Poco F4 GT, but let's see how much difference we are going to find in the test score results. So the benchmarking applications we got today here, they are Antutu Benchmark, Geekbench 5 and 3D Mark. So first of all, let's start with Antutu Benchmark. So the RedMagic 7S Pro scored 1,110,480 points and Poco F4 GT scored 1,05,108 points. So as you can see, the winner is RedMagic 7S Pro as it scored 105,000 more points compared to Poco F4 GT. If you go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and you can see that in all of these four, performance of RedMagic 7S Pro is better compared to Poco F4 GT. So the winner is RedMagic 7S Pro. If you go to the 3D Mark, here you can see both devices are powerful enough to maxed out at wildlife, and talking about the wildlife extreme, RedMagic 7S Pro scored 2,774 and Poco F4 GT scored 2,591. So once again the winner is RedMagic 7S Pro. In terms of FPS, you can see that the average frame rate achieved by RedMagic 7S Pro is 16.6 and for Poco F4 GT is 15.5. So the difference is of 1 FPS, not too much, but still the performance of RedMagic 7S Pro is going to be better, and that's why it is the winner in 3D Mark as well. Now let's have a look on the Geekbench 5. So in Geekbench 5, RedMagic 7S Pro scored 1,347 in single core and 4,278 in multi-core, while Poco F4 GT scored 1,222 in single core and 3,784 in multi-core. So once again the winner is RedMagic 7S Pro in both single core and multi-core. Now if we go to the compute test score result, in this once again the winner is RedMagic 7S Pro as it scored 6,597 and Poco F4 GT scored 6,057. So in all of these three benchmarking tests, 3D Mark, Antutu Benchmark and Geekbench 5, the winner is RedMagic 7S Pro, and you can give the credit to the better hardware specs of the device compared to Poco F4 GT, but the Poco F4 GT is also very powerful gaming smartphone and it comes with its own unique features for gaming. So it does not matter which device you are going to get for your gaming experience, you will be happy with the performance of either of these two smartphones for sure. And as I mentioned, a detailed comparison video of these two smartphones will be uploaded very soon, where you will find that which device is going to be better for you considering its own pros and cons compared to the other one. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.